Hi everyone, this is Wasim Miraj. Welcome to my channel. Now I am coming with a new video, that is a NTSC series. In that video I am coming with a Uttar Pradesh question paper, that is a scholastic aptitude test. Here it is, 100 questions are there. In that 40 questions for science subjects, and in these subjects 12 questions are for the physics questions. Now let's with the first question, that is 101. So here it is. What is the far point for normal human eyes? Option 1 25 centimeter, option 2 50 centimeter, option 3 100 centimeter, option 4 infinity. Dear students, we can see as much as far, we can see that stars, planets, like this. The eyesight which goes on, that much of we can see. That is a first question for answer is infinity. The far point of the eye is the maximum distance to which the eye can see the objects clearly. The far point of the normal human eye is infinity. So the answer is fourth one, infinity. Now let's go to the second question. Refractive index of water is option 1 1.00, option 2 1.33, option 3 1.52, option 4 2.42. Here it is. Refractive index of water is equal to speed of light in air or vacuum divided by speed of light in water. So refractive index is, here it is, I am writing here, refractive index Ri is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. It is in air or vacuum, speed of light, divided by 2.25 into 10 raised to 8. It is for the speed of light in water. So here it is. This one is cancelled. Now it becomes 1.33 is the right answer. Now let's go to the third question. Here it is. A man used a convex lens of focal length of 20 cm in his specs. The power of this lens is, here option 1 plus 2 diopter, option 2 minus 2 diopter, option 3 plus 5 diopter, option 4 minus 5 diopter. Here power of lens equal to 1 by focal length in meters. Here it is. So I am writing here, given f is equal to 20 centimeter, but we have to convert in meters. So here it is 20 divided by 100. So it is now 1 by 5 meter. Okay, 1 by 5 meter. 2 ones are 2 fives are. So now let's put the value of this one. Power of lens P is equal to 1 by f equal to 1 by 5. Okay, here coming to the upper side, now it becomes P is equal to 5 by 1. Now it is indicated as a positive sign. That is why option 3 is the right answer, plus 5 diopter. Okay, now let's go to the fourth question. In an electric circuit, the voltmeter is used. First one in series, option 2 in parallel, option 3 in both manner, option 4 none of these. Here a voltmeter is a high resistance. It is used to measure potential difference between any 2 points of the circuit. To measure the potential difference between the 2 points of a circuit, the voltmeter is connected in parallel in the circuit. That is why the answer is second one, in parallel. Here it is. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. 1 horsepower HP is equal to option 1 467 watt, option 2 500 watt, option 3 746 watt, option 4 1000 watt. Here the electrical equivalent of 1 horsepower is 746 watts in the international system of units, that is a SI. So here is option third one, 746 watt is the correct answer. Okay, now let's go to the next question. A magnet attracts option 1 only iron, option 2 only cobalt, option 3 only nickel, option 4 all of the above. Here magnets are only attract to special metals like as a iron, cobalt, nickel are magnetic. Metals that have iron in them attract magnets as well as. So it is the fourth one is the right answer. Now let's go to the next question, that is a which of the following is the bio-Gobar gas? Option 1 CH4 plus CO2, option 2 CH4 plus NO2, option 3 CO plus H2, option 4 CO2 plus N2. Here biogas is the mixture of gases produced by the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen, that is known as to be anaerobic. Here primarily consisting of a methane and carbon dioxide. So first one is the right answer, CH4 plus CO2. Now let's go to the next question. Here it is. In an electric bulb filament 0.5 ampere current is passed for 10 minutes. Calculate the electric charge passes through the circuit. Option 1 5 coulombs, option 2 20 coulombs, option 3 300 coulombs, option 4 500 coulombs. Here given current I is equal to 0.5 ampere. Okay. Now time t is equal to 10 minutes. We have to convert in seconds. So 60 seconds in 1 minute. So here it is, I am writing 60. So 10 60s are 600 seconds. 600 seconds. Okay. Now I is equal to Q by T is the equation. Now we have to find out that Q. So it becomes right side. Here it is. Now the formula becomes Q is equal to I into T. So put the value I 0.5 ampere into time 600 second. So have to convert this one half 1 by 0.5, it means half into 600. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 0 remains as it is. So 300, it becomes 300. Now Q is equal to 300 coulombs. Option is third one. 300 coulombs is the right answer. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Which of the following mirror is used by a dentist to examine the patient teeth? Option 1 convex mirror, option 2 concave mirror, option 3 plane mirror, option 4 all of the above. Here a concave mirror gives the dentist a magnified reflection of the mouth while also refracting a bit of light. So this means the image in the mirror is larger, brighter, and for the dentist easier to see. So here it is, the answer is second one, concave mirror is the right answer. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. An electric bulb has a rating of 30 watt, 12 volt. The maximum current can pass through it will. Option 1 0.4 ampere, option 2 2.5 ampere, option 3 12 ampere, option 4 360 ampere. Here given power P is equal to 30 watt and the voltage, that is potential difference, V is equal to 12 volt. Okay. Now to find current, here it is, P is equal to V into I. Okay. Now I is equal to P by V. Put the value, that is power is 30 watt divided by volt is 12. So here 3 4s are 3 10s are. Okay. 2 2s are 2 5s are. So here in the conditions, the value is 2 1s are and 2.5. 2.5 ampere is the correct answer. The option is 2.5. Second one is the right answer. Here it is. Second one is the right answer. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Here it is. What is the unit of magnetic field intensity? Option 1 Weber, option 2 Newton, option 3 Tesla, option 4 none of the above. None of these. So here it is, the option 3 Tesla is the SI units. Magnetic field intensity is measured in Tesla, symbol T. So option 3 is the right answer. Okay. Now let's go to the next questions. The size of colloidal particles are option 1 10 raised to minus 3 to 10 raised to minus 5 meter, option 2 10 raised to minus 6 to 10 raised to minus 9 meter, option 3 10 raised to 10 to 10 raised to 15 minus 15 meter, option 4 none of the above. Here the solution is said to be colloidal if particles of 1 or more have the size of range 10 to 10 nanometer. So here it is. Option second is the right answer. Thank you.